welcome back to another video. Today we are going to play a phonics game together. In a minute you will see 4 pictures on the screen. You have to find all the pictures that have the same sound in it. I would like you to write those words down. You can use your robot arms to help you. You might have a sound mat that would help you, and see how many you can spot. Good luck guys, I'll see you at the end. Game. Was it tricky? I hope you had fun. You can always watch this video again and have another try at it if it was a little bit too hard. I hope you have a good day and I'll see you soon for another